Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing. Marissa Hill here. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And at the end of this video, if you like it, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment. So today we are unboxing a 350, and it's a different colorway than you're used to seeing and a new colorway that I do not have in my collection. These are the Desert Sages. If you're wondering, wow, it looks like a different location you're shooting in. Thought we could all use a little fresh air. Nice to get outside, right? Of course, the sound, you're probably hearing helicopters, alarms, trains, dogs barking. Gotta love the outdoors, right? All right. I'm so excited to see the Desert Sages. This is a colorway that I haven't seen before. I'm extremely into this combination. I love how it has these 3 different tones to it. It's almost like a mint green, kind of seafoam green. It's got this nice tone that they've added of orange to give it a pop of color. Really, really nice. I love the laces here. This is a nice kind of darker, almost an army green, but not quite. It's a little bit cooler of a tone than that. And then here, there's just actually no pull tab. This strip is actually reflective. You're not gonna be able to see it because we're in broad daylight right now. But at nighttime, I'm sure this looks really dope. Really, really cool. And down here, I love that this also has kind of the same green tone that you see here in the mesh. It's like, pairs very well with this nice kind of yellow tone at the very bottom of the heel here that goes all the way back, which is nice. Bottom's pretty clean too. Overall, I think this is a really cool, different colorway that we haven't seen yet. I love the name Desert Sage because I'm from the desert. I was born in Albuquerque, New Mexico, for those of you who do not know. And then just on the topic of fashion trends and what colors are in this season, I think that this is one of the colorways that's most on trend currently. These trends this season, it looks like Minty Fresh seems to be a top favorited color by the industry. And I think that this actually fits very well within that trend. Cool pastel colors are popping right now, and it's a nice way to add cooler colors to your wardrobe. And if you're not super into doing head to toe in one colorway for the season, I think this is a great way for you to just add a hint of a color that's trending. And for me personally, like, I don't know if I want to go head to toe in a minty green cool pastel shade. I'm not like super into pastels, but I definitely would be super into just like kind of giving an accent, which I think these shoes would be a perfect accent with this new ongoing trend of mint greens. It's perfect. So let's talk about size and fit. With a 350 silhouette, I always recommend going half a size up. So typically I would get an Adidas pair of shoes in a 7.5, but with all my Yeezys, I tend to get size 8. Especially with these, because your feet tends to get pushed forward and it's pretty uncomfortable when your feet are scrunched at the very tip of the shoe. So highly recommend that you go that half a size up. These shoes are so comfy. This is by far my comfiest silhouette that I own, the 350s. It's basically, you know, walking on a marshy, squishy, marshmallow pillow. I don't know, if you're just walking on a bed all day, you'd be squishing on a mattress. It's quite nice. As far as resale goes, I don't know if you purchase these and you're planning on reselling them. I don't think this is the best time necessarily to resell them because they're just slightly above the resale or the retail price. If you bought them for $220, it's just slightly over that. But it is great if you're planning on getting this silhouette and you weren't able to win it. Great place to just go right now is StockX, and you're not going to pay that much over retail value. So if I were you and you're trying to make money on this, I would definitely save this for the summer season, because I think obviously with the coronavirus happening, seasons are going to be delayed, and so colors like this that are trending or supposed to be trending right now are going to be pushed to the summertime. And I think this is a great summer colorway, especially because it's just this light, cool color that, you know, will really go well with like pastel summery shades. All right, guys, so thanks so much for tuning in. Our next video, hope you will be looking forward to it. We're going to go through all of our 350 silhouettes that are going to be trending for this summertime. I want to bring out all my great summer colorways, which include the Marshes, the Antlias, as well as the anticipated linens. We're going to go through those, show you the differences and which ones you think you want to cop if you have not yet, or which ones you might potentially want to sell. So don't forget, smash that subscribe button and don't forget to like and comment. Thanks so much, guys. Until next time.